So guys, you need to do that voice. I just have hit the hiccups. So yeah. Sorry. I think we can assume he has left the forest. It would be dangerous for him to return. I hope so. Thank you, Nighpout. On that matter, while Broken Soul's leader allows Shadow Clan to hunt in our river. Now that he is gone, that agreement no longer stands. The river belongs to River Clan alone. God bless, I'm actually sick of it. Shadow Clan still has the same needs as before. A mighty mouse to feed, Crit Star. Nightpelt, you're just driving out your leader and many of your strongest warriors. Are you so confident you can make these demands? Fine, we don't need your fish, after all. We have all the more time now that Wind Clan is gone. That's true. Wind Clan's obedience means more prey for us all. No, Wind Clan must return. Why? Crooked Star's right. If we split the territory, it'll mean more food for our kits. Forest needs 4 clans. This is we have 4 trees and 4 seasons. StarClan has given us 4 clans. Tickets are really getting into me. Wind Clan must be brought home. Crooked Star, River Clan's hunting grounds are known for their richness in prey and bountiful fish in the river. Are you really so desperate? And a new Nighpelt. Finally can't help you drive out Broken Soul because of its greed. I'll just support it. Very well, Blue Star. Shadow Clan will allow Wind Clan to return. 2 of us have agreed then. Wind Clan must be found and brought home. So then, no clan should hunt in their territory. What a gathering. Can you believe Nighpout and Crooked Star? Hey, is something wrong? Well, it's Blue Star, so I bring to talk to her alone, but Tyreclaw's always around. What are you planning? I need to tell her. Have to tell her where Ravenpool is and warn her about Tyreclaw. You promised to tell the clan that Ravenpool is dead. Blue Star needs to know the whole story. But I only have Ravenpool's word that Tyreclaw was responsible for Redtail's death. Do you believe him? Regardless of whether I believe him, excuses Tyreclaw about real advice will cause trouble. I'm just saying, if you don't have proof, you should be careful, okay?
What are you doing? Chicken jockey. Why are you recording yourself?
I'm not.
What are you doing? You're recording yourself. What are you doing? You can edit it out. It's all good. You can edit it out. Just stop recording and start again, and you can edit it, and then you can put it together again. Yada yada you, yada yada yay, skiddy toilet, Ohio, yak riz. Or you can just cut it out of the video. We'll keep it in, no choice.
Okay, don't worry about him. He just tried to ruin my video. I know Ravenpool isn't lying. That wasted some time on this video, didn't it? Fireheart, fire, spotted leaf, fire, fire alone can save our clan. What? Fireheart, wake up! Why? We're not a troll this morning. It's Bluestar. She wants to see us in her den. Now. Fireheart, Grey Stripe, I have an important mission for you. I want you to find Winkler and bring them back to their territory. Bear in mind that this will be very dangerous. We don't know where they have gone, so you have to follow what's left of their scent, possibly through hostage territory. Our other warriors are needed here, so we can only send the two of you. You must leave as soon as possible. Good luck to you both. What's RiverClan doing out here? Shh. Do you think Rainpaw's managed to barley's safely? I don't know. Why not? We made it this far after all. Here, this must be WindClan's old camp. It looks like they put up a good fight against Broken Star. Found their scent. The Thunder Path. WindClan went this way. Do you know what's past this point? No. No clan cat has ever came this far before. No clan cat except for WindClan. Oh, WindClan come to a place like this. Probably so that even Broken Star wouldn't follow them. Come on, the scent leads over here. It's coming from in there. WindClan, ThunderClan. Why are you here? We came to find you. Bless on the other leaders want WindClan to return home. Gato's not safe for my clan anymore. So the clan is driving at Broken Star. You must return. This is Grey Stripe, and I am Fireheart. Fireheart, the name suits you. I am Torstar, leader of WindClan. This is Deadfoot, my deputy, and One Whisker, one of my warriors. Tell them if you see any danger. Torstar should take shelter for the night. Grey Stripe and I know a safe place to eat and rest. Thank you for letting us stay here, Barley. Oh, it's no trouble. Plenty of mice to go around. Thank you for sending me Ravenpaw. He's turning into a fine ratter. Is he happy? Why don't you ask him yourself? So get this. It turns out Broken Star killed Ragged Star. Messed up, right? Wow. Enough clan talk. Tell us about farm life. Barley has been great, and I think he really likes having me around. He was the best. The clan thinks I'm dead. Maybe Rainpaw's actually better off outside of clan life. I guess each cat really does have their own destiny. But Rainpaw had to leave Thunder Clan for a reason. Can't forget what he witnessed. My clan is grateful for your help, but you are warriors worthy of Star Clan. But now that WindClan has returned to our home, it's time you return to yours. Deadfoot and One Whisker cut you to 4 trees in case of hostage hunting parties. Thank you, Torstar. To Bluestar, the WindClan won't forget that it was ThunderClan who brought us home. Where did One Whisker go? Oh, I think he thought we would share a quick meal. You know, it'll be faster to get home if we follow the river. But won't that mean going to RiverClan territory? Torstar ordered us to take you to 4 trees. Only be in RiverClan for a blink. Can't see us meeting any trouble. So the good news is we found WindClan and led them home. And the bad news... A RiverClan patrol spotted us and chased us out. I'm not much of a swimmer. That was foolish, but you've done well to help WindClan. So we should prepare for more conflict with RiverClan. We need more warriors. Fireheart, Grey Stripe, I think it's time for you to become mentors. For this moon high, we gathered to name 3 new ThunderClan apprentices. Swiftkit, you'll be apprenticed to Longtail known as Swiftpaw. Breaking-Kit, you'll be apprenticed to Grey Stripe known as Breaking-Paw. Syndicate, you'll be apprenticed to Fireheart and known as Cinderpaw. Don't worry, you're doing fine. Longtail sure didn't want me like that when I joined ThunderClan. I feel sorry for Cinnapore. Imagine being a clanker and having a kitty pet for your mentor. Right, Sandpaw? Knock it off, Dustpaw. Cinnapaw energetic and enthusiastic. Really, really enthusiastic. I can tell Tycle's waiting for me to fail, but when Cinnapaw looks at me, I can see the pride in her eyes of being my apprentice. Was that what I looked like when I was an apprentice? Fire! Good morning, Grey Stripe. What is our assignment today? Hunting. Where are we hunting? What are we going to catch? I want to catch a vole. So now we're also to catch whatever we find. It's nearly a leaf bear, so we need all the fur we can catch. Do you hear that? Listen where it's coming from. Over there! I think that one heard you coming. Let's try over by the river. Wow, it's totally frozen. Wow. Shh. Okay, guys, I'll just do a part. Okay. I think this is part 8. Okay. Bye-bye.